think I'm gonna make more slime.
Welcome back to Fun Time. This video was actually taken last year, January 25th, and my dad's phone. So let's go check it out.
Hi guys, it's me, Chloe, and welcome back to Aishi Sweet Dreams. So yeah, my sister's not coming because she doesn't want to. So yeah.
Meanwhile, at the palace of King Poseidon, ruler of the seven seas,
make some little slime or big slime, but we're gonna use it with school glue and magical liquid. Come to me. Okay, that's silly. Okay, let's keep on going and make some slime. So first we need school glue, of course. Elmer's school glue, which is so I think it makes like glosses. Oh my gosh, that's the goodest.
one eternity later.
Okay guys, do you want me to do some ASMR with this? Comment down below. So yeah. You know what? I'm gonna make some ASMR. If you want to, you guys. If you don't want to see it, just I don't know about you guys. You do whatever you want. Okay, let's do some ASMR. Oh my gosh, that's the worst ASMR. So I'm gonna be quiet now, okay? I'm gonna make some ASMRs. Oh my gosh, guys, I did. If you guys subscribe yet, thank you for subscribing, and have you liked it, thank you for liking, and don't forget that ringing bell, ring, jingle bells, just kidding. Okay, bye guys.